a whole different animal, this car. Especially on a nice scenic road like this. Seems like all the smog and fog from this morning has cleared up already. Well, most of it has. Still a little smoggy in the distance, but nice blue sky. Some good pictures. Wow, driving a convertible with the ocean breeze. This is why people pay a fortune and live in California. Head home for lunch right now. I'm a little nervous about this. I don't feel like putting the top back up, so I'm gonna drive like this on the freeway. It's probably gonna be super breezy. I'll have the windows up. Probably won't be doing much talking because the camera probably won't catch my voice anyway with all that wind noise. But I think it'll be fun. Hopefully not too windy. It's gonna give me a headache or anything. Still young enough to enjoy this, I guess. definitely still having trouble staying up. Gotta figure out what's wrong with it. Whenever the top is down, when the road gets a little bumpy, it just falls down, gets out of position. At the show earlier this morning, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was just like Wings and Wheels a while back, where every generation of Corvette showed up, except the C5. I don't know what's going on with the C5 owners. They just don't like to be where all the other Corvettes are, I guess. Yeah, it was so much fun. On the freeway now, with the top down. Alright, so I decided I'm just going to mute the audio and voiceover the rest of this video, because the wind noise was just way too bad. The car wasn't bad driving with the top down at freeway speeds. But it's safe to say you're not going to be having a conversation in there at all. In my previous video from the car show earlier in the morning, there was a Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud convertible, drophead coupe. The owner was telling me he could drive that thing at 70 miles per hour with the top down and still easily carry a conversation. That's definitely not going to happen with a Corvette. But yeah, that was a really fun day. Awesome getting to enjoy the scenic drive with the car. Now I'm going to hopefully try to get that rearview mirror fixed so it stops falling down on me every time I drive with the top down. Hopefully it'll be fixed by the next time I make a video. See you guys next time.